Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nancy. I am your makeup mentor helping you to build a six-figure makeup business and beyond. And today I want to talk to you about the top 5 frustrations as a makeup artist and how to fix them. Now, you know my trainings are usually only 2 minutes. This is very quick. I got a lot to go over, so just hang in there and take some quick notes. Number 1 is that you don't have enough clients. Ugh, how frustrating. Number 2, you don't know how to sell. You don't know how to get that booking. Number 3, you don't know how to make massive money doing your makeup. Number 4 is that you lack confidence and you're afraid that she's not going to like your work. And number 5 is you don't know how to become more professional or be seen as more of a professional. So here are the fixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1, you don't have enough clients. That's because your specialty is probably not standing out. People are looking for specialists, so make sure they know what your specialty is. Number 2, you don't know how to sell or get that booking. Well, most makeup artists, they fail in this area because they have a bad reputation for ghosting and for not communicating and not showing up. So to fix this, just show up, okay? Just show up and follow up and communicate. Number 3, you don't know how to make massive money. It's probably because you're charging too little. What you need to do is you need to create packages, ultimate packages to work with you, and you're gonna make massive money. Number 4 is you lack confidence. You're afraid she's not going to like your stuff. So the way you fix that is that you need to communicate with her. You need to listen more than you talk to her. Number 5 is you don't know how to become more professional looking. Well, you just need to show up looking like a makeup artist, dressed in your uniform with your tools, show up and just do your magic. So those are the 5 frustrations and the 5 fixes. I hope that helps you guys. Please give me a thumbs up and like this channel and put down in the comments below if this was helpful to you and what was your favorite frustration fix. All right, guys, I love you. Mwah. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.